Hello, another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to look at a different question but in the same topic, click on the information card here. If you want to do the question yourself, pause the video now. And if you got the answer A, well done. If you didn't get the answer A, keep listening to my explanation. So the diagram shows a stationary wave on a string at one instant in time. P, Q and R are 3 points on the string. So let's have a look. Let's draw a midpoint or a rest point between these waves. So this point between these two nodes that P and Q are on, let's say that in the next instant it's probably going to be moving downwards, and point R, it's going to be moving upwards. So this section of the wave is 180 degrees out of that section of the wave. P and Q are in phase, exactly in phase together. Perhaps they've reached their maximum displacement, which will be their amplitude at that moment, and then they're going to start moving down, and their displacement will become smaller in the next few seconds. Another way of saying 180 degrees out of phase is saying they are antiphase. So let's have a look at these two statements. P is in antiphase with R. Yes, it is. It's completely 180 degrees out of phase. That's a true statement. P is out of phase with R. Yes, it is out of phase. It's 180 degrees out of phase with R. P is in phase with Q. Yes, it is in phase with Q. They're at exactly the same moment in their cycle, so they are in phase. P is out of phase with Q. No, that would be like the opposite statement to the one just above it. P has the same amplitude as Q. Yes, it does. There's the amplitude of P and there's the amplitude of Q, and it's exactly the same, so that's a true statement. So we could have stopped there and ticked A. Let's have a look at the other statements though and see why they're not correct. P has the same amplitude as R. No, P has this amplitude and R has that amplitude, so that's an incorrect statement. P has the same amplitude as R. No, that's just the same as the statement above. P has a smaller amplitude than R. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, P's amplitude is that distance, whereas R's amplitude is that distance. However, the only line where both statements are correct is line A, so A is your correct answer. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button. It'll be very helpful for me if you do. Share the video, watch more of them, share with your friends, and good luck.